historical milestone with the commencement of operations of the country's first indigenously developed hydrogen power train, Namo Green Rail. On the Jind-Sonipet section of the Northern Railway in Haryana, the 10-coach train marks a major step towards clean, sustainable and technologically advanced rail transportation. The House congratulates the Honorable Prime Minister, Shriman Narendra Modi ji, the Honorable Minister of Railways, the officers and the staff of the Ministry of Railways, Indian Railways, and all the scientists, engineers, technicians, and others whose dedication and hard work have made this pioneering venture a big success. I am confident that this achievement will further strengthen India's journey towards sustainable green mobility and alternative green energy for betterment of humanity. Let me complete all this. I am coming back to you. I am telling I am coming back to you. Papers to be laid on the table. Shriman Nityanand Rai.
सभापति महोदय, मैं आज की संशोधित कार्यावली के क्रमांक
Nothing will go on record except
मेरे नाम के सम्मुख उल्लेखित दस्तावेज सभा पटल पर रखता हूँ।
श्रीमान PL वर्मा जी,
आदरणीय सभापति महोदय,
I am coming back to you. Please take your seat. Honorable member, please take your seat. I am coming back to you. Please.
आपकी अनुमति से आज राज्यसभा की संशोधित कार्य सूची के
श्रीमान PL वर्मा जी,
अपने नाम के सम्मुख अंकित पत्र सभा पटल पर रखता हूँ।
श्रीमान बंडी संजय कुमार जी,
मैं आज की पुनर्निश्चित कार्यसूची में क्रम संख्या 1C पर मेरे नाम के सम्मुख के लिए दस्तावेज सभा पटल पर रखता हूँ।
श्रीमान सुगंध मजुमदार जी,
Chairman sir, with your kind permission, I rise to lay on the table of the House the papers mentioned against my name at serial number D in today's revised list of business.
श्रीमान हर्ष मल्होत्रा जी,
Honorable Chairman sir, with your permission, I rise to lay papers mentioned against my name at serial number 1E of the revised list of business. Thank you.
messages from Lok Sabha Secretary General.
Sir, with your kind permission, I rise to report that Lok Sabha at its sitting held on 21st July 2026 adopted the following three motions recommending to the Rajya Sabha that Rajya Sabha do agree: 1. To nominate one member from Rajya Sabha to associate with the Committee on Public Accounts for the unexpired portion of the term of the committee, Vice Shri Shukendu Shekhar Rai, resigned from Rajya Sabha with effect from 8th June 2026. 2. To nominate one member from Rajya Sabha to associate with the Committee on Public Undertakings for the unexpired portion of the term of the committee, Vice Shri Devashish Samant Rai, resigned from Rajya Sabha with effect from 25th May 2026. And 3. To elect 10 members amongst the members from Rajya Sabha to associate with the Committee on Welfare of Other Backward Classes for the term of 1 year beginning from the date of the first sitting of the committee, and do communicate to the Lok Sabha the names of members so nominated or elected by the Rajya Sabha.
Reports of the Public Accounts Committee, Shriman Akhilesh Prasad Singh ji.
Sir, I rise to lay the Hindi and English versions of 48th, 49th, 50th and 51st reports of the Public Accounts Committee 2026-27 as listed against my name in today's list of business at serial number 2.
Reports of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Coal, Mines and Steel, Shriman Anil Kumar Yadav Mandadi ji.
Sir, I rise to lay on the table a copy each in Hindi and English of 24th, 25th and 26th reports of Department related to Parliamentary Standing Committee on Coal.
All right, so day 3